हेलो एवरीवन, क्या आप भी ऐसी शानदार एनिमेशन वीडियो बनाना चाहते हैं? तो इस वीडियो को आखिर तक जरूर देखें। Step 1. Open Canva and select the video format. Step 2. Go to Elements and add a video clip on the first page. Step 3. Create a second page. Add a black shape. And type your text on it. Step 4. Download the second page as PNG file. Step 5. Upload that PNG on the first page and remove the background. Step 6. Resize and adjust it properly on the video. Step 7. Apply a custom animation to make it look more dynamic. Step 8. Reduce the transparency for a smooth effect. Step 9. Add your text, adjust it, and apply text effects and animation. And finally, your Canva animation video is ready.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.